In designing this ring nest, I used this formula or this design from the bottom of the ground to the nest level. I just used 10 centimeters, and then the height of each nest was supposed to take 7 meters, and that is the design I used to come up with these nests. We first chopped them because inside the chicken house they couldn't go in all of them because they're too long. So I needed to first chop them outside, and then I level them. I just take the measured timbers inside the chicken house. I finished the chopping, and then we're attacking the logs inside the chicken house, and then we start construction of the laying nests. Hello guys, it's so due to the fact that we are going to put our egg nest here, as you know, the reason why we are putting the nest here because I would like to put it there, but when I saw the height, the height of the nest cost is going to be equivalent to this, to this timber. So by the time I just saw when I put it in near the mesh, and I found out that the mesh is becoming, the nest is becoming a little bit higher than the nest. So I'm going to put it here, from here on the wall up to there where the nest starts. So and again I'll just this is how I started the construction of the ring nest, starting from the supporters and all the sides. Remember, when you're constructing a ring nest, you should consider the area that has a privacy for the chickens, and again, you should also consider the area that has no direct to the sunlight, because the moment when your ring nest is facing direct to the sunlight, the chickens will not lay in the ring nest, and they'll just abandon the ring nest and they start to lay on the floor. That's why I chose this dark corner, because I saw that it is the one that has a little bit privacy for the chickens. Remember, the chicken wants to put an egg where it looks like the chicks will be ready, because the moment the chicken wants to start laying, it lays where it sees that her babies will be okay. So this is why I chose this dark corner. Guys, this is the structure, but it haven't been completed of our laying nest. So we are using the measurements as I'm going to show you. Because from the ground, we are leaving here 10 centimeters. Because remember here, I first removed the Rita so that I can be able to get the support of the what of this laying nest. So then we are left 10 centimeters of the what of 10 centimeters of the Rita. Then again from the Rita, from the ground, it has to be 10 centimeters again. So then the height of the ring nest have to be 30 centimeters. That is the standard measurement. So guys, we did like this. Then the height of the ring nest has to be 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. As you can see, 30 centimeters are around here. Here. So that is the height of the first floor of the rain box. So then from here you can also have around another 30 centimeters downward around here. So in here we can have the the two stories of each box. Here 30 centimeters, here 2. Then we are going to construct around six laying nests. So from here up to here it is 30 centimeters. That is the first laying box. Then from here up to here, that is another 30 centimeters. That is another box of the laying nest. So that is what we use to construct our laying nest. Then I'm going to put these stories inside, and then we'll finish up, guys. The laying nest, guys, is almost done now, and you can see that we are already concluding, and we are putting just where the chickens has to stand when it is entering the laying nest. So you can see we are almost finishing up. Guys, this is how it looks like after completing it. So this is the structure after the tassel work. I've finally concluded the work and I'm done now. So the remaining work is putting in the Rita so that to act as shock absorbers for the eggs, so that it doesn't get a lot of egg breakages. So I'm going to just put in now the Rita, and after the chickens, now I can just wait for them to now start giving me an egg. Let's try this one and see how it will just show me. Guys, as you can see, it is almost like enjoying it. It has escaped and has gone away. Okay, so this is how I have done it, and let me maybe catch another one and see whether it can just go inside
and feel the vibe and of the new rain nest.